Welcome to another episode with On the Level Dirt Guy. And I'm the dirt guy. Now this particular project, we had built this road about 7 years ago. We done the hardscaping, and we also done a tar and chip driveway. Now what the homeowner wants, love that minion. The homeowner wants is, it's been down about 7-8 years ago, is he wants to add another layer of tar and chip. So what we're going to do is we're going to sweep off all the rock, all the loose rock with that sweeper, and then we're going to put another layer on it. This is smart on the homeowner's decision to not let it go very long, to get another layer built on it, get a good long time out of the project after that. We're also going to install this conduit for future electrical systems that will be added for lights and whatnot out there. All right, guys. Now we could have went over this without sweeping it. We can't do that. But it's better off to get a good tight seal on it. Nice and gentle, no sense going real crazy on this. This is built for a house. This isn't built for commercial or industrial usage. Garbage trucks, forklifts. We can build it that way though. All right, so we got it all swept off, and forgot to put my microphone on, but oh well. See how the audio sounds. I don't know what in the world caused that, but anyways, pretty well swept off and cleaned. We'll get ready for the next part, putting in that electric line. Get some shots of putting down the tar and chip. All right, guys, give a thumbs up if y'all don't mind. Alright, we're getting ready to do our tar and chip, our paving, installing this new driveway. We got our gravel. Over here we're heating oil up. We'll get this up to about 145 degrees. Alright, got our rock done. Alright, well, we got this project done. Here's the last shot of footage here. Alright, well, we're complete. Alright, well, we're complete. Not too bad for two guys. Hope you like it. Give a thumbs up if you guys don't mind. God bless everybody.